Welcome. Our topic coverage in this review questions is all about in the Book 2 of LTOM, specifically in Section 45, the taxing powers of the municipalities within the Metropolitan Manila area, Section 46, the common limitations on the taxing powers of LGUs, and Section 47, the collection of taxes. Number 1, within the Metropolitan Manila area, what is the maximum rate at which municipalities can levy taxes on businesses enumerated under Article 232, IRR implementing Section 143 of the Local Government Code? A. 50% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. B. 60% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. C. 70% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. D. 80% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. Answer, letter A, within the Metropolitan Manila area, municipalities have the power to levy taxes on businesses enumerated under Article 232, IRR implementing Section 143 of the Local Government Code, at rates not exceeding 50% of the maximum rates prescribed for those businesses. This means that municipalities can impose taxes on these businesses, but the rates should not exceed half of the maximum rates allowed by law. Number 2, can a municipality within Metropolitan Manila area levy and collect taxes that may be imposed by the province? A. Yes, without any limitation on the rates. B. Yes, but the rates should not exceed the rates prescribed by the province. C. No, municipalities cannot levy and collect taxes imposed by the province. D. It depends on the specific agreement between the municipality and the province. Answer, letter B, the municipality within Metropolitan Manila area may levy and collect taxes which may be imposed by the province, but the rates should not exceed those prescribed by the province. Number 3, which of the following is not a tax that can be levied by municipalities within Metropolitan Manila area? A. Real property tax. B. Additional levy on real property for the Special Education Fund. C. Additional ad valorem tax on idle lands. D. Value-added tax on sales of goods or services. Answer, letter D. Municipalities within Metropolitan Manila area have the power to levy real property tax, additional levy on real property for the Special Education Fund, and additional ad valorem tax on idle lands. However, the imposition of value-added tax on sales of goods or services is not within the taxing powers of municipalities within Metropolitan Manila area. Number 4, which of the following is a common limitation on the taxing powers of local government units? A. Income tax levied on banks and other financial institutions. B. Taxes on estates, inheritance, gifts, legacies, and other acquisitions mortis caus. C. Taxes on agricultural and aquatic products when sold by large-scale farmers or fishermen. D. All of the above. Answer, letter B, among the options provided, taxes on estates, inheritance, gifts, legacies, and other acquisitions mortis caus are a common limitation on the taxing powers of local government units. This means that LGUs cannot impose taxes on these specific transactions. Number 5, which of the following taxes can be levied by LGUs? A. Income tax. B. Documentary stamp tax. C. Community tax. D. Taxes, fees, and charges on goods passing through the territorial jurisdictions of LGUs. Answer, letter C. LGUs in the Philippines have the authority to levy the community tax, also known as the cedula. On the other hand, income tax, documentary stamp tax, and taxes, fees, and charges on goods passing through the territorial jurisdictions of LGUs are not within the taxing powers of LGUs. These taxes are imposed and collected by the national government. Number 6. Which of the following taxes cannot be levied by LGUs on business enterprises certified as pioneer or non-pioneer by the Board of Investments? A. Community tax. B. Real property tax. C. Taxes on business. D. All of the above. Answer, letter C. LGUs in the Philippines are prohibited from levying taxes on business enterprises certified as pioneer or non-pioneer by the Board of Investments, for a certain number period of time from the date of registration. The purpose of this limitation is to provide incentives and support for these certified business enterprises, encouraging their growth and contribution to the local economy. Number 7. When do new local taxes, fees, and charges imposed by LGUs accrue? A. On the first day of the fiscal year. B. On the first day of the quarter following the effectivity of the ordinance. C. On the first day of each month. D. On the last day of the calendar year. Answer, letter B. Unless otherwise provided in the Local Government Code, all new local taxes, fees, and charges imposed by LGUs accrue on the first day of the quarter following the effectivity of the ordinance imposing such new levies or rates. Number 8. When should local taxes, fees, and charges imposed by LGUs be paid? A. Within the first 20 days of January or each subsequent quarter, as the case may be. B. Within the first 20 days of each month. C. Within the first 20 days of the fiscal year. D. Within the first 20 days after the accrual date. Answer, letter A. Unless otherwise provided in the LGC, all local taxes, fees, and charges imposed by LGUs should be paid within the first 20 days of January or each subsequent quarter. Number 9. What is the maximum surcharge that can be imposed on unpaid taxes, fees, or charges by LGUs? A. 15%. B. 20%. C. 25%. D. 30%. Answer, letter C. The Sanggunian may impose a surcharge not exceeding 25% of the amount of taxes, fees, or charges not paid on time. Number 10. What is the maximum interest rate that can be imposed on unpaid taxes, fees, or charges by LGUs? A. 1% per month. B. 1.5% per month. C. 2% per month. D. 2.5% per month. Answer, letter C. The Sanggunian may impose an interest at a rate not exceeding 2% per month of the unpaid taxes, fees or charges including surcharges until the amount is fully paid, but in no case shall the total interest on the unpaid amount or portion thereof exceed 36 months. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment your questions and clarifications below. For continuation of this video, please see the link in the comment section.